There's a very famous saying within the homebrew community. Relax, have a homebrew. And this saying is so applicable to every aspect of homebrewing, most especially for beginners.
Just remember, when you're learning the homebrew, you're going to make mistakes. The best thing is you learn from those mistakes.
And always remember,
Relax. And that's it. Now you just add your bung and your airlock. And I didn't fill my airlock up. Oh, I forgot to sanitize my everything. Oh man, my cardboard's dirty. Oh God. Eric!
Derek, what happened?
I forgot to
You
sanitize.
gotta put sanitizer in here.
I forgot to sanitize.
You don't have to
Look at that!
You didn't sanitize our cardboard? Oh my God! Relax. Relax, don't do it when you wanna go do it. If you forgot to sanitize your equipment, one of two things are gonna happen. It's gonna be bad, or it's gonna be good. If it's gonna be bad, throw it down the drain. If it's gonna be good, you're
Drink
good
it.
to go. The moral of the story is, relax.
Alright, so I added my blueberry juice and my cherry juice, and now I gotta add my honey. My honey. My honey. Ah!
Oh, Derek! What the hell?
I don't have honey!
You forgot to buy the honey.
The most important ingredient of anything!
Hey, it's fine. Relax. Relax, don't do it when you want to go do it. Put your nutrients, put your yeast, put your airlock. We'll buy some honey tomorrow and add it. It'll be fine. Everything will be fine. Relax.
Yeah, that's good. This better turn out just as good. No! Ah! Come on!
Derek, hey. What's wrong, man? What's wrong?
Too much in.
You put too much nutrient? What is this, purple mead?
Blueberry and cherry.
Hey, dude, relax. Relax, don't do it when you want to go do it. It'll be just fine. If you put too much nutrient or not enough nutrient, don't worry about it. If you put not enough, just add more when you realize. If you put too much, don't worry about it. Chances are, it'll be just fine. Number one thing to remember, relax.
Come on, no! No! No!
Derek, what's wrong?
Gravity's too high, man!
What is this?
Look, that's special.
Purple mead?
Yeah?
Where'd you finish at? 10:30? Oh, your ferment stalled out?
It's done, man.
Whoa,
It's done.
hey! Try it, taste it. It might not be bad.
Probably tastes like purple.
No. Just because your ferment stalls out doesn't necessarily mean that's a bad thing. Taste it before you do anything about it. It might taste wonderful, but above all, relax. Relax, don't do it when you want to go do it.
And so we're filling. And we're bottling and oh no. I forgot the priming sugar. Damn it!
Derek! What the hell is your problem?
It's gonna oxidize! It's ruined!
What did you do?
I forgot the priming sugar!
forgot the priming.
Yeah,
hey, it's fine. We'll cap these bottles. Tomorrow we'll go to the homebrew store. We'll get some carbonation drops. We'll open these, put the drops, recap them. Everything will be fine. Relax. Relax. Don't do it when you want to go do it.
You had me at hello. And that's it. The blueberry cherry mead that I created is done. It's going to be fantastic. Hey, Eric! Try out this mead!
Eric. Oh, is your mead finally ready?
Yeah, man. It's my masterpiece.
Is this the one where you forgot to sanitize everything? And you forgot the honey? And you put too much nutrients? And it stalled out? And you forgot priming sugar?
Yeah, don't worry about that. This is my Is that
So
a
it's
hair
just-
in my mead?
Hashtag excited? Oh, I
Hey,
guess.
cheers!
Let's do this. It's not bad. If you ever make a bad batch, just pour it down the drain. Learn from your mistakes. And always remember, relax. Relax, don't do it when you want to go do it.